Hey guys, today I've got a different video from what I'm used to uploading, but this topic is really special to me. I'm sure every Thomas fan is familiar with the video Mad Bomber, uploaded by leokimvideo on March 24, 2009, with a whopping 7,800,000 views. I'm sure this video has been watched by a great majority of the Thomas & Friends fandom. For 12 years, we all wondered who the Mad Bomber was, with many great theories and speculations. But now it's been confirmed by the man himself, and oh my goodness, I was blown away that he'd even released this information. And this is what leokimvideo says to tons of Trackmasters. Just to let everyone know finally, the Mad Bomber is Bluebell, the engine without a face that wanted to destroy Thomas. Bluebell dressed as Mute, and strangely had steam coming out of a diesel cover. Bluebell was so desperate to become Thomas, be blue, and have a face. So okay, the Mad Bomber is finally revealed. The only other person who knows about this info is Simirsky. He was told this many years ago and was sworn to silence. I always pondered many years ago how many Bluebells were peg-sitters. No one wanted the steam engine without a face. How sad to be the least wanted toy because having a face was so important to be popular. No one has ever guessed or worked out that Bluebell is the Mad Bomber. Oh my god. It all makes sense now. This makes sense why Mute kept silent, because Bluebell literally cannot talk. There's so many twins in Mad Bomber. It makes sense why Thomas would have a twin as well. It finally makes sense why Andy says,
"He looks just like you."
I wasn't really surprised that Bluebell's anger circled down to being a peg-sitter, as this is a common topic on Leo's channel. All of this just makes so much sense. So yeah, after all this time, we finally know who the Mad Bomber is. Again, this is a really important topic to me, as this is one of my childhood videos. So special in fact that I made a Mute custom. As you can see, I painted the blue splat the same blue as my Wilbur custom, as I liked William Polituski's theory that the Mad Bomber is Scottish John. Alright guys, that's it from me. Leave a like and subscribe, and join my Discord server, link below. More custom showcases coming soon. See ya.